Now beginning this bulletin with the major news coming in. Anish Dayal Singh has now been appointed as Deputy National Security Advisor. Now Anish Dayal Singh is a retired 1988 batch IPS officer from Manipur cadre. He also served as the Director General of Central Reserve Police Force of India from January 2024 till 31st December of 2024. He in fact is touted as the man behind who realized the government's fight against Maoism. His background in intelligence and paramilitary ops qualifies him for this role. In fact, speaking to media last year in July, he said that we will surely be successful in erasing Maoism from the country. So very crucial post now going to Anish Dayal Singh. He's now been appointed as the Deputy National Security Advisor. Remember, he's a retired 1988 batch IPS officer from Manipur cadre. And he's also served before as the Director General of CRPF. This was from 1st January 2024 till 31st of December same year. Now he's the man who's touted as somebody who realized the government's fight against Maoism. In fact, his background in intelligence and paramilitary ops qualifies him for this role. And speaking to media last year, he also said that we will surely be successful in erasing Maoism from the country. So he has been crucial in the fight against Maoism in India, and now he has been given this new role. Remember, he is a retired IPS officer, 1988 batch from Manipur cadre. He's earlier also served as a Director General of CRPF. This was in 2024, and he's now touted as the man who realized how crucial is the fight against Maoism in the country. And in fact, his background in intelligence and also paramilitary ops qualifies him for this new role that he's now been given by the government. That's the breaking news we're covering for you at this hour, viewers. Anish Dayal Singh has now been appointed as the Deputy National Security Advisor of the country. Now my colleague Pragya Bakshi Sharma is joining me on this story. Pragya, give us more details about this latest announcement coming in. What is his profile and how crucial is this post in fact?
Well, yes, this is a very significant development for a very significant post. Anish Dayal brings with him decades of operational experience from the ground, so he understands the grassroots situation very well, including in areas hit by Maoism and also border areas of the country. He has also served as the DG ITBP, so he understands the situation along the LAC very well and the situation with China, and has seen the complications firsthand. So in terms of national security, of course, he will bring with him a lot of perspective in the decision-making process, and that really fares well for the national security, internal security. So, yes, it's a very significant appointment, and let's see how this goes.
All right, Pragya, with the kind of security environment India has been witnessing, this appointment certainly is very crucial. Now, we are given to understand that Anish Dayal Singh has also led India's fight against Maoism. So, give us more details on that what his role has been on that front.
Well, we have seen, Ishita, how this government has been really going head-on against Maoism in Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and surrounding areas. And so he's the man behind all the successful operations. We have seen many senior Maoist leaders, insurgents eliminated, and many of them also come back in the, civilian fold. So it has been quite impactful, his tenure. And I think it's going to really help chart the further course of action in this regard.
All right, Pragya, thank you so much for joining us here and giving us all those crucial details on this story. Now, this is the major breaking news we're covering in. For all those who are just joining us, let me walk you through the details of this. Anish Dayal Singh has now been appointed as the Deputy National Security Advisor of the country. Now, Anish Dayal Singh is a retired 1988 batch IPS officer from Manipur cadre, and he's also served previously as the Director General of CRPF. This was in 2024, from the January till December of that year, in fact. And he's also touted as the man who's led the fight against Maoism in the country. And his background in intelligence and, of course, paramilitary ops also qualifies him for this crucial role that he has now been given by the government. In fact, when he was talking to media last year, he also said that we will surely be successful in erasing Maoism from the country.